Hello guys! This time we will discuss about the tangent and normal line concept. So we will define what is tangent line is and i-define naman natin all about normal line. So we talk about tangent line. It is a line which locally touches a curve at only one point. And how about naman yung normal line? Ang normal line is a perpendicular to the curve and perpendicular to the tangent line. So this time, we will be using the point slope form and we also have discussed last meeting the differentiation rules on algebraic function, no? So this time we will have the first derivative. When we get the first derivative of the function, we are also getting the slope of the tangent line such that x is equal to a certain value. Let's have this concept. So we have a circle and a line. So it touches a certain point. So that's what you call the point of tangency. So we also have the point of tangency, and we also have the equation of the norm of the tangent line. So this is an example of equation of tangent line. And how about naman yung the equation of normal line? When we speak of the normal line, so this is a line that will pass through the point of tangency. So meaning we have the equation of normal line. Remember, when we get the slope of the normal line, we also getting the reciprocal, or meaning we have the two slopes. So we have the slope of the tangent line. The slope of tangent line is equal to -1 over the slope of the normal line. So when you multiply the two slopes, it will result to -1. So kapag minultiply mo siya times of this, equivalent to -1. And when we express the line, the equation of the line, so meaning we have to express in the following: ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Let's have number 1. So we have y equal to x squared at x equal to 2. So meaning we have to get the point of tangency first. So kailangan natin the point of tangency at this point. So we have to substitute f of 2 equal to the function given, 2 squared, which is equal to 4. So therefore, the point of tangency is at 2 and 4. Okay, this time we will differentiate the function, which is y prime equal to 2x. So meaning we differentiate, or we get the derivative. The first derivative of y equal to x squared is 2x. So same ulit, we will get the slope kasi the first derivative of the function is the slope of the function. So that is the slope. So y prime, so f prime of 2, meaning we have 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So meaning this is the slope of your tangent line. So this is the slope of your tangent line. Then we already have the slope and we already have the point. So gagamitin natin is yung point slope form. So we have y minus y sub 1 equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So we have x1, y1. So meaning we have y minus 4. Y minus 4 equivalent to 4 times x minus 2. So simplify all those values. Y minus 4 equivalent to 4x minus 8. So equated to 0. So therefore, 4x minus y minus 8 plus 4. So therefore, 0 equal to 4x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So that will be your equation of your tangent line. So, of tangent line. How about for the equation of normal line? So, the equation of normal line, so before makuha natin yung equation of normal line, we have to get the slope of the normal line. Since we have the slope of the normal line is equivalent to negative 1 over the slope of your tangent line, so negative 1 over the slope of tangent line. So, meaning, ang given natin a while ago is the slope is 4. So, negative 1 over 4. That will be your slope of your normal line. So, we sub the value. So, we have y minus 4 equivalent to negative 1/4 times x minus 2. So, parang din tayo gumamit ng LCD, cos multiply natin yung 4 pakaliwa, 4y minus 16 equivalent to negative x plus 2. So, we have to simplify all those terms. So, that will be x plus 4y minus 16 minus 2 equivalent to 0. Therefore, this will be x plus 4y minus 18 equal to 0. So, this will be your equation to your normal line. So, i-graph natin on the Cartesian plane. So, how does it look like? So, we have the first function is, that's a quadratic, so a parabola. So, the second one is the point of tangency is at 2 and 4. So, line natin. And for the second one naman is yung equation of normal line. So, we're done with the equation of tangent line. So, this is the equation of tangent line. This is the equation of tangent line. And the second one, that will be your equation of your normal line. So that will be equation of your normal. So it will intersect at point 2 and 4. Yan. Let's proceed with equation number 2. So let's have the given function y equal to square root of x minus 1 at x equal to 5. So this time, kunin natin yung point of tangency. So we have y prime. It should be f of x. That will be f of 5 equivalent to equal to square root of x minus 1. So solve natin yung value. So square root of 5 minus 1, that will be square root of 4, which is equivalent to 2. So therefore, the point of tangency is at 2 and is 5 and 2. 5 and 2. So let's proceed with the differentiation process. So, di ba last time we also discussed the differential process for this function. We can also rewrite x minus 1 into the power of this, into this power, no? You have 1/2 to the power of 1/2. Then we can also use this power as part of our differentiation process. So y prime, that will be 1/2. Then retain natin yung x minus 1. Then kapag kinompose natin itong power, that will be 1/2 minus 1. So parang sinabi natin, we also have 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. The 1 minus 2 over 2. So, meaning you also have negative 1/2. So, negative 1/2 yung power. Tapos, derivative nito, the derivative of your function is times 1. So, meaning we already have in the form of 1 over 2 square root of x minus 1. Pero we're not yet done kasi kailangan natin yung makuha yung slope of the tangent line. So, that is the first derivative. So, ipasok natin yung value at x equal to 5. So, meaning at x equal to 5, so we're not yet done. So, y prime of 5, which is equivalent to 1 over 2 square root of 5 minus 1, which is equivalent to 1 over 2 square root of 4. And simplify na lang natin, that will be 1 over 4. So, square root of 4 is 2. So, 2 times 2. So, that will be 2 times 2. That will be equal to 4. So, that will be your slope of your tangent line. So, you already have the point and the slope. So, gamitin natin in terms of the equation of the line. So, the tangent line. So, you already have the point, which is point is at 5 and 2. 5 and 2. And the slope of the tangent line is 1/4. So, y minus y sub 1 equivalent to the slope of your tangent times x minus x sub 1. So, that will be y minus, the y sub 1 is 2, equal to 1/4 times x minus 5. So, pang din tayo gumamit yung LCD, we just cross multiply 4 to the left side. So, we have 4y minus 8 equal to x minus 5. So, equate natin sa 0. Therefore, this is x minus 4y minus 5 plus 8. So, simplify yung constant, x minus 4 plus 3 equal to 0. And this will be your equation to your tangent line. How about naman yung equation of normal line? So, for the equation of normal line, so we need to get the slope of the normal line, which is the negative reciprocal of negative 1 over 1/4, which is equivalent to negative 4. So, negative 4. So, we already have negative 4. So, we now proceed to the point slope form, y minus y sub 1 equivalent to the slope of your normal line, x times x minus 1, x sub 1. So, same process ulit. So, that will be y minus 2 equal to negative 4 times x minus 5. So, simplify natin value, negative 4x plus 20 equal to y minus 2. So, therefore, 4x plus y minus 20 minus 20 minus 2 equal to 0. So, you also have 4x plus y minus 22 equal to 0. And that will be equation to your normal line. Then, how about the graph? So, ano itsura niya sa graph? So, when we look at the graph of this function, so, you also have the following. Ang graph ng square root of x minus 1, so, let's have the following. Graph natin. So, the graph of x square root of x minus 1, so that will be like this. So, ito yung point of tangency. Yan, point of tangency. And for the equation of tangent line. So, ayan. This is the equation of tangent line. And how about for the equation of normal line? For the normal line, it will cause to the center of the point of tangency. So this is the normal line. And this is already the pi equal to square root of x minus 1. Yeah. Let's have number 3. So this time we have the function y equal to x squared minus 1 over 2x. So this time we need to get the point of tangency. So you also have y. So f of 3 equivalent equal to 3 squared minus 1 over 2 times 3. So that will result to 9 minus 1 over 6. So 8 over 6, which is 4/3. So 4/3. So that will be, the point of tangency is at 3 and 4/3. So this time, i-differentiate natin to. So for this example, this is an example of rational function. So this is represented by u and v. And v. So represent natin ng u and v para mas madali i-differentiate. So this is u and this is v. So u equivalent to x squared minus 1. Then you also have v is 2x. So differentiate natin yung function simultaneously. So you have du, which is 2x, and you have dv equal to 2. So dv. So this time, we will be using the mnemonics na natutunan natin last meeting. So the v du minus u dv over v squared. So yeah. So cross multiply natin later on. So you have y prime equal to v du minus u dv over v squared equal to, ano ang v? So we also have the original function v is 2x, v du times derivative of u. So v du. So let's have the v du first. So v, what is the value of v? So v is 2x. Then the derivative of du, which is also 2x, minus you also have u dv. So x squared minus 1 times the derivative of dv, which is times 2. So all over the denominator, which is 4x squared. So simplify natin all those terms. So that will become 4x squared minus 2x squared. You have minus 2x squared. Sulat natin sa baba. So you also have 4x squared minus 2x squared plus 2 all over 4x squared. So, simplify na natin all terms. That will become 2x squared plus 2 over 4x squared. So, this time, since both of terms are divisible by 2, so it will become x squared plus 1 over 2x squared. Pero we're not yet done kasi kailangan natin makuha yung slope of the tangent line. So, which is the first derivative. So, i-plug in natin yung x equal to 3. So, that will be y prime. So, that will be y prime at 3 equal to the differentiated function. So, 3 squared plus 1 over 2 times 3 squared. So, simplify all those terms. That will be 9 plus 1 over 18. So, that will become 10 over 18, 10, which is equivalent to 5 over 9. So, pang ating isi-simplify yung lowest term nung given slope of the tangent line. So, we need to simplify at all times. So, you have already the slope and you already have the point of tangency. So, we now can solve for the equation of tangent line. So, you also have the point of tangent line at 3. You have 3 and 4/3. Then you also have the slope of the tangent line, which is equivalent to 5 over 9. So, y minus y sub 1 equivalent to the slope of the tangent line, x minus x sub 1. So, this time, i-plug all those values. So, y minus 4/3 equal to 5 over 9 times x minus 3. So, this time, ang LCD ng term is 9. So, it will become 9y minus 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 4 is 12 equal to 5 times x minus 3. So, simplify all those terms na lang. 5x minus 15 equal to 9y minus 12. So, set to 0. 0 equal to 5x minus 9y minus 15 plus 12 equal to 0. So, we have already simplified the term. For the term, that will become 5x minus 9y minus 3 equal to 0. And that will be equation to your tangent line. Then, this time, we need to solve for the slope of the normal line. So, for the slope of normal line, which is negative 1 over the slope of the tangent line. So, that will be of the tangent line. So, which is negative 1 over 5 over 9. which is equivalent to 9 over 5, negative 9 over 5. So, which is equal to negative 9 over 5. So, gagamitin natin yung point slope form ulit. So, that will be your slope of your normal line. So, same process. So, we have y minus y sub 1 equivalent to the slope of your normal line times x minus x sub 1. So, y minus 4/3 equal to negative 9 over 5 times x minus 3. So, the LCD for this term is 15. So, 15y. 15 divided by 3 is 5 times 4 is 20 equal to 15 divided by 5 is 3 times negative 9 is negative 27 times the whole term x minus 3. So, simplify na lang natin the whole term. Negative 27x plus 81 equal to 15y minus 20. So, therefore, that will be 27x plus 15y minus 20 minus 81 equal to 0. So, simplify all those terms. 27x plus 15y minus 101 equal to 0. And this will be your equation to your tangent, to your normal line. This will be your equation to your normal line. Okay, so this time, I'm going to give you a seat work. So, I prepared 3 items. So, all you have to do is find the equation of tangent and normal line. Let me read you the following items. Number 1, y equal to x cubed minus 2x squared plus 1 at x equal to 2. Number 2, you also have y equal to cube root of x squared minus 1 at x equal to 3. And last item is y equal to x squared minus 4 over 2 at x equal to 4. So here ends our class today and I'll see you on next video. Maraming salamat po.